again I'm here to teach you maths. So you know we have already started with chapter number 1, revision chapter, and we are going to continue with the same chapter. And I hope you have done the work which I have given you in the previous class. Okay, so let's start the class. Today's class. Today we are going to learn about skip counting. Now what is skip counting? Before we go into this topic or we learn about this topic, let us try to understand what is forward counting and backward counting. You know what is forward counting? It's a normal counting. Like forward counting is going ahead and backward counting is coming back. Okay, so forward counting is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is called forward counting. And what is backward counting? You will count from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is called backward counting. Okay, understood? Now, let's talk about skip counting. Skip means, you understand what is skipping? Like you must have seen one game children play. They skip one box and jump to another box, second box or third box, like that. So here also we are going to jump the numbers. Okay, like jump by 2 numbers, jump by 3 numbers. If we jump by 2 numbers, suppose we start from counting 1. Okay, it's a forward counting. So we'll start from counting 1 and we will jump by 2. Jump by 2 means, or skip by 2 meaning is same. Okay, so from 1, if I jump 2 numbers, then what will be the next number? So what am I going to do? I will add 2 with 1. So when I add 2 with 1, that means 1 plus 2 is becoming 3. So 1, 2, 3. 2 numbers I have skipped. Okay. Now when I am into 3 box, then again I will jump 2 more boxes. So from 3, 4, 5. Like this. So here it is 1. Okay. I am going to jump 2 boxes. So I'll start from 0 here. 1, 2. Sorry. I am here in 1's place. Okay. 1, 2. So I am getting 3. Again I will jump 2 boxes. 1, 2. So I am reaching here. 5. Okay. Again 2 boxes. 1, 2. From 5 I am getting 7. Then again I will count 1, 2. Sorry, 1, 2. So from 7 I am getting 9. Then from here again 1, 2. Okay, like this. So each time I am adding 2 with the previous number. Like with 1 I have added 2. 1 plus 2, 3. Again with 3 I have added 2. 2 plus 3, 5. Again with 5 I have added 2. 7. Again with 7 I have added 2. Then it becomes 9. Again with 9 I have added 2. It becomes 11. Again if I add 2 with 11, what will be the next number? It will be 13. And with 13 if I add 2, I will get 15. So this is called skip counting. Okay. Now in the book also you have been given some pattern which are skip counting. Like in the first one, in the first line, it is skip of 2 numbers. Like I will show you here. Skip of 2 numbers, how? So we are starting from 2 itself. Okay. So let me write here skip of. In the first pattern, we are skip of 2 numbers or 2's. In the first pattern, I am talking about the first question. Okay. So we are starting with 2. Now if I add 2 with 2, I will get the next number will be what? 4. Again with 2, if I add 2 with 4, then the next number I will get 6. With 6 again if I add 2, the next number will be 8. Okay, in this way again 10, then 12, then 14, and likewise it will go on. Understood? Now this is the first pattern. Now in the second pattern, 3. Now how much you are adding to get 3, or how many numbers you are skipping to get 3? Like it is, first we are starting from 3. Second question. And next number is 6. So how much we have added? We have added 3. Like how we will understand? 3, okay, then 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So from 3 I have added 3, 1, 2, 3. So I am getting 6 in this way. Okay, so our next pattern is skip of 3's. Second pattern, skip of 3's. So the next number will be 6. Again I am adding 3 here, 9. Again I am adding 3 here, 12. Again 3, 15. Again 3, I am getting 18. Again 3, I am getting 21, and likewise. Now in the next one, it is 8 plus 8. The next number is 12. Now how many numbers I have skipped to get 12? 7, 8, 9. So sorry, I have started from 8. So 9, 10, 11, 12. So 4 numbers I have skipped to get 12. So I will be adding. In question number 3, I have started with 8. So each time I am skipping 4. Next is 12. Again I am skipping 4, or I am adding 4, getting 16. Again 4, 20. Again 4, 24. Like this it will continue. Okay. So in this manner, how you understand that what number I have to skip? There is one method. How will you understand? Like I take this example, 8 and 12. Now what you will do? You will subtract from the second number the first number. 8 minus 12, what you are getting? 4. So each time you are skipping 4, 4. Here you are skipping 3, 3. Here you are skipping 2, 2. So when you subtract the first number from the second number, you get to know that how many numbers I am skipping. Okay. So in this manner you will complete this entire page. Page number 7. Now we move to the next page, that is page number 8. And it is all about ordinal numbers. Now what is ordinal numbers? Like for example, in the school we stand in a line. No? When we have assembly, we stand in a line. No? Everyone we stand in line. And we stand according to our height. The smallest one or the shortest one is in front, and then then the taller one, then again the taller one, then the tallest one is at the end. So from short to tall, children they stand in a queue. Okay, the child who is standing right in front will be, what will be the position of the child? Let's do like this, okay? Let me draw the children only, okay? I am not so good in drawing, but then I am trying to do it. All these children are standing in a queue. They are standing in a queue. This is the first child and this is the last child. Okay, and I am going to number it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so the first child is in the first place, then the second child is in the second place, third place. So when we talk about the position of any particular thing, okay, then we call it as a ordinal number. Now what is ordinal number? When we write ordinal numbers, we add st. So when we talk about tell about the position of any number or an object, is called ordinal number. Ordinal number means when we tell the order of any object or any number, that is ordinal number. And how do we write that ordinal number? There is a way. Okay, so what is ordinal number? When we tell the position, or in place of position you can also write order. So when we tell the order or position of any number or any object, it's called ordinal number. We call that ordinal number. Now how to write the ordinal number? Like the first child here. When somebody is standing in front, then the order of this person will be 1. Or in ordinal number we will say first. The position of this person is first. How do we write this first? 1 ST. Now this is the, in numbers we write in this way, but there is word form also. Like in spellings, if we have to write, we will write FIRST, first. Now the second one, we write in numbers, we write S2ND. We add ND. For first we add ST, for 2 we add ND, and for 3 we add RD, and for the rest of the numbers we add TH. Like how? Second one is SCOND, second. Third, 3 RD. The spelling is THIRD. Okay, after this position or the order of this number is fourth position. So we will write like this, 4 TH. And in the word form, how do I write? FOURTH. Then this one is in fifth position, FTH or 5TH, or we read it as fifth, FIFTH, fifth. Okay, then we have this boy is in sixth position. In numbers we write 6TH, and in words we will write SIX. You know the spelling of 6, and then TH, like that. So till 10th, how do we write? After this we will write 7th, then 8th, then 9th and 10th. Now what about the next? After that, how do we say? Then from 11, how do we read? We read 11th, 12th, 13th. We know the spelling of 11, we know the spelling of 12, we know the spelling of 13. Only we need to do is, we have to add TH at the end. Okay, so that is our motive. So 11th, when we have to write 11th means 1 TH, and in words how do we write? ELEVEN TH 11th. Okay, ELEVEN TH 11th. Then 12th, how do we write? TWELVTH 12th, like that. Okay, then 13th, how do we write? THIRTEEN 13. TH will also be there. THIRTEENTH 13, in this way. Then 14th, we know the spelling of 14 and just add TH. In this manner, we will go on writing till 20th. And how do we write 20th? We know the spelling of 20 and add TH. That's it. Now after that, how do we read? From 21, 22, how do we read in ordinal numbers? Now as I told you, 21. 1, when we say 1, then we have to add always ST. When it is 2, we add ND. When it is 3, we add RD. Okay. So when I have to say 21, then I will say 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th. Okay, 30th means THIRT. What is the spelling of 30? THIRTY. 30th. Okay, TH, like that. in this way. So you can learn the ordinal numbers till 100, but you don't have to learn till 100 because in your book it is given till 20th only. Okay, so you will be doing this. Now you can see page number 8. In page number 8, write the number against the ordinal number. So here it is written 8th. So how do we write 8th? We write 8th in this way. The spelling of 8th is E-I-G-H-T-H, 8th. And in numbers, if I have to write, we will write 8 and T-H. Okay. So 12th, T-W-E-L-F-T-H. I think if I made mistake in spelling, I have said, I guess, T-W-E-L-D-E-T-H. So that will not be the correct one. It will be T-W-E-L-F-T-H, 12th. Okay. So the words are given you, spellings are given you. You have to write numbers against these ordinal numbers. Alright. Now next is after, before and between. Now after, before and in between, this topic I will be taking in the next class. Now so far what you have to do is, you have to do page number 7, skip counting, and page number 8, which is ordinal number. This you will be doing in the copy. You will not do in the book. Please do it in the copy only. Okay. Try to do it in the copy so that I can check your copy and can do the required rectification if it is there. Okay. So that's all in this video. I hope you have understood the concept. If you have not understood or if you have any doubt, please text me in the group. We have a group in Telegram, okay, and you have my number also, or else you can write comments in the comments section in YouTube videos, and you can clarify your doubts. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you, take care, and bye bye.